Welcome to Temju World. This is a 360 video. You can move your phone left, right, up, down, or you can swipe left, right, up, down. If you're on your computer, you press WASD, W for up, A for left, D for right, S for down. Enjoy it. We have come off the beaten track, and well, you'll see where we're coming from. I have no idea where we're going. I do not know where this road is leading.
But you're just going in.
And we passed the a god at the bottom of the road. I just wish I know how to approach it and say what. Just walking in the African bush.
What if this turns to a horror movie?
Huh?
What if this turns to a horror movie?
Well, what can I say?
So we just...
Oh, that's a big mushroom.
That's poisonous.
I don't know.
It's poisonous, I know.
That one is big.
It's poisonous one. You eat that.
Really?
Yeah. Do you think if it was good, people would still be...
Where is this road going?
You know, I'll just follow you so that just in anything, I'm able to run and leave you behind.
Oh, this is nice here.
It's,
Oh, this is like AC.
wow.
Wow.
Away from the beach now. In the bush, just following a random trail with that bushman. You need to go fast.
Look at birds. This is awesome. Listen to the birds.
There are people talking, so you better be ahead.
Oh shit, there's a temple here. There's a temple here.
I don't know what it is.
There's a temple here.
Huh?
There's a temple there.
No, it's our home.
No, it's a temple. Look, the red. It's a temple.
It's our home.
Okay, see, I have to hold my camera this way from the camera. So, I'm holding this camera this way. It's a temple. It's a temple. It's a temple. Hope it isn't home. It's a temple.
It's a temple.
Voila. Voila. Oh, where's the Rastaman? The Rastaman that brought us here.
The restaurant.
The Rastaman. You're the Rastaman that brought us here.
Mm-hmm.
What's his name? Carlos.
Carlos.
Carlos? Carlosaki?
Carlos.
Carlos. From... Huh? Damn it. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Obrigado. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Wow. So then people sit and all that.
Yes.
And are they cooking to eat? I saw blood and saw
Yeah.
grass.
So,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, we walk into a you see they're appeasing the god.
They are kissing the God.
Yeah. So Yeah, they come here and they appease the god and they...
Wow.
Someone from Guinea-Bissau in the comment section, please clarify. Because I know I see birds and the blood there. And it's by the gods. It's by one of the gods.
We take another path.
You see the red cloth? It's to guide you to your journey to the god so you don't get lost. Wait, this way he wanted to bring us yesterday?
I don't know. You can ask him.
I'm not asking him.
What?
Yeah.
You are scared?
Okay.
There's another path. Let's take the other path and see. Wow. So we just walked out of, I think, an altar. Because here in Guinea-Bissau, I think they practice traditional African spiritualism, or I don't know the name. If you're from Bissau, you know what they call it. Let me know.
Yeah, see the cloth?
So,
The cloth to guide you.
yeah.
It's
So
to
we
guide
have
you.
some cloths. Let me show you. So you'll see this red cloth. It guides you the path to take. Let's go
Yeah.
the opposite way now.
Because remember, the god is at the bottom.
Yeah.
So where does this go?
So yeah, you'll see a little places with red and a little bit of white, but mostly red. That is, I think, an altar, and yeah, we're just in the woods here, wandering like beyond the beach, trying to just explore and know our environment. Then we come across that place. You dropped something.
Wow.
We came across that place with a lot of men, altar, white feathers, blood, and we didn't know how to go about it, so we just turned back. Master, what if they offered you,
Some meat?
yeah,
I'll eat it.
you'll eat some meat if they offered you,
Yeah, hell yeah.
without telling you what it is.
I'll eat it.
Anyway, so
Ooh!
back to the
Ooh, look at that bird.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yellow chest, red cap,
Orange.
orange chest, yellow cap, and black.
So beautiful.
What?
Well, so we're back to the beach after wandering off. You want to go that way?
Where?
This way?
No, we're going like this way.
You saw another red cloth there. And
Yeah.
this other part that is yours.
And there's a vulture.
Yeah, let me hold your shoes.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Because I wanted you to hold my son.
Wow. Vultures are big.
Big bow.
Oh, they killed the animal here before taking it out.
You want to step on the blood?
No.
You'll get blessings.
Yeah, so they killed the animal, one animal here before going up.
Maybe the chicken.
No, the chickens are up there.
You saw chicken feathers.
Yeah, they killed those up there.
I guess you are with them.
Huh?
I guess you are with them.
No. But that's more than chicken blood.
Those are separate to be separate chicken.
Okay.
Ooh.
The adventure. The adventure continue. So where did all these people come from? People are actually walking over here. People are walking coming to the beach.
Yes.
They're actually walking here.
Yes. You hold the camera for me. I'll hold your feet in water. Is it upright? Or should I?
No, the other way. Yeah.
Okay.
Give me some hard work. Yeah, I don't like hard work.
Let me turn it for you because I know your tendency. Sorry. Sorry. Okay.
No, I got it.
Are you okay now?
Ah, rip my foot.
What? You look like what?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, I ripped it. I think so.
Salt hills, salt water hills.
Do you see it? Anything under?
No, there's nothing.
Okay, it's good then.
Don't want to walk in water no more.
So the security came back.
He's in water. Maybe he could be among those people seated there by the way.
Yeah, no, he wrapped himself.
Huh?
He wrapped himself.
Maybe you are walking ahead of me. Maybe.
You see the security left. So what causes that?
Huh?
What causes that?
It's your camera waterproof.
Yeah. I don't want to record these people. I told you, pocket rocket is bad, man. Pocket rocket is bad.
Why?
I see pocket rocket in the water. Pull it, pull it.
I'll switch it off. Check your channel.
Yeah.
You don't want to get in water?
Yeah?
You don't want to get into water?
Not yet. You can go in the water. So the security guy went. He wrapped himself. I'll tell you the pocket rocket. The security guy, pocket rocket. The security guy went. Wrapped himself. We can't hide. You can't hide.
Welcome to Guinea-Bissau.
Hey, thank you.
How are you?
I'm good.
I saw your video.
Oh, thank you.
Which videos?
The written